Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna do some Rubik's Cube. Do you know why this is called Rubik's Cube? Because it is made out of bricks that you turn, and this is called the 30 by 30 Rubik's Cube. It's a cube because it is made out of squares. 1 square, 2 squares, 3 squares, 4 squares, 5 squares, 6 squares, and 7 squares together make a cube. So today I'm gonna do a Rubik's Cube pattern. So it is gonna be amazing. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. Down, down, sideways, sideways, down, down, sideways, sideways, down, down, sideways, sideways. Now this is the pattern. It kind of looks like a chessboard, right? So this is the end of the video. So bye bye.